is up, guys? Sophie here, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. I'm trying to give y'all like a full type of view because this kind of runs a little, long. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe so you can stay updated on all my videos. Now, without further ado, why don't we go ahead and jump into the video, shall we? So the first thing you're gonna do is to do a little side part here. So I'm just going to slick it down and do a flat twist, just going around. Right, so it's not the most perfect, but it's definitely the lazy way of doing things. So with this, we're just gonna take it straight back. So this is probably the part that matters more about being a lot more sleek. We're just gonna take it straight back and put it into a ponytail. I have pre-created 2 long braids, and I should have probably made these braids on camera for real, just to show you what I did. I did not fold, what is it called? You know when you have the hair and you fold it, and no, I didn't do that just to make them longer. I actually just had it in one strand and combined 3 things together to make the long braid because, we want it to come around here. So you're gonna take, and that's why this side don't necessarily matter as much because most of it is going to be covered. So you are going to take 1 braid and we are going to bobby pin it. So now that you have the braid pinned into place, I know I still got my thing hanging out. You're gonna get the second braid and you're gonna do the same thing. You are just going to pin it into place, ideally making sure that you kind of pin it to the first braid to kind of anchor it, coming around, and obviously we want to cover that. So yeah, so we'll do it. Let me show you. Then you're just gonna repeat till you get all the way down. And at the bottom, I'm going to be like overlapping it a little bit, if that makes sense, like this. Just because I want to. Then I'm gonna take the extra parts of the braid once I get to the end and just twist it around. And this is optional. You can completely put a rubber band on here if you want to. My nail popped off. So I legit broke my nail during this process. I needed to feel anyway, but dang, now I gotta walk around with no nail. That looks whack. So don't make fun of me, y'all. All right, so this is the braid kind of together. And then we are going to add more stuff. So what we are going to add is I got some curly crochet hair, such as so, and then we're gonna put the little curlies randomly, indiscriminately throughout the head. So we could start here. Like where the stuff is frizzy or stuff is hanging out, we are just going to make sure that it is, not looking like this. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add these little golden cuffs, and these are real useful for when these are just look like they're flying like all over the place, that you can kind of use them to strategically kind of place the little curl things where you want them to be. All right, y'all, I think this is about it. It is getting crazy late, and so I'm kind of done fooling with it. So yeah, I kind of like it though. I don't know if y'all like it. I wish these was longer, but I mean, it is what it is. I don't know if you can see the full detail of this situation. But anyway, y'all, if you like this video, if you like me, then go ahead and give me a like, a follow, a heart, a subscribe. I broke my nail for y'all. I'm just saying. Now, I'm about to go and do something else, like sleep. I'll see you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.